A lot of people ask me how do I clean my prints, and here's my tip. I use a lot of things, but this, believe or not, is the best thing you can use. So this saves me 5% of my resin. I just put my parts here, I spin, I try to balance, not be shaken. This one just cracked. I have another one that's arriving today. So with this I can save 5% of my resin, around 5%. So every 20 bottles I have 1 bottle of resin. And I take from this and I move to a metal funnel with a mesh there with a filter, and this is the best thing you can use. I made a hole here just to help the air to come out, and after spin and take the resin out, I use a ultrasonic cleaner to clean my parts, and it's amazing. I have alcohol here at 70%, so it will not catch fire, and I use 3 to 4 minutes depending the amount. And because I cleaned the parts before here, right, I'm saving alcohol too, because then my parts are not so dirt when they come here, right? Sometimes I need to scrub a little bit with my hand and glove just on the sides of some of the parts, but this does an amazing job and saves me a lot of time. After this, I make the UV light that you guys saw a video another day that I used that tent there to make the UV light, but this is what I use: salad spinner and ultrasonic cleaner. If you don't print much, they have some small ones in Amazon. I bought in Amazon. The salad spinner also I bought in Amazon. I'll put a link, and this saves me a lot of time and money. Bye.